I'm Chef Greg, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious panko crusted lamb with holiday mint jelly. So we've got 3 beautiful French racks of lamb. We're going to take some Dijon mustard and we're going to paint the mustard on that lamb. And lamb is fairly lean. This is going to give some great flavor, as well as it's going to act as the glue for our seasoning and our panko. So we'll go ahead and hit each rack with some COLDEN'S Freakin Greek. And for good measure, we'll season our panko as well. What we'll do is we'll take each rack and we will roll each rack in the panko. We're going to cook these racks of lamb on the RT 700 bull at 375 degrees until an internal temperature of about 133 degrees. After these rest for about 20 minutes, they'll be a perfectly medium rare. So to recap, we Frenched these racks of lamb, and if you're curious how we did that, check the link in the description below. We then seasoned them with a little bit of Dijon mustard, some COLDEN'S Freakin Greek, dipped them in some panko breadcrumbs, fired up the RT 700 at 375 degrees. We cooked them for about 37 minutes. Let's go ahead and get these sliced up. You can see we've got a beautiful medium rare texture. I love eating them like lollipops, but first you got to put some of that holiday mint jelly on the top. It's delicious. So again, if you're looking for something to make during the holiday season, definitely want to check out this recipe for panko crusted lamb. We'll see you at the REC TEC.